Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 planets in our solar system, ranked by their popularity and scientific significance. Number 1 on our list is Earth. This planet is the only known planet in the universe to support life. It has a diverse range of ecosystems, including oceans, forests, deserts, and more. Earth's atmosphere contains oxygen, which is essential for life as we know it. The planet also has a magnetic field that protects it from the solar wind. Number 2 on our list is Mars. This planet is often referred to as the red planet because of its reddish appearance in the night sky. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, as well as the deepest canyon. It also has polar ice caps that contain water and carbon dioxide. Cut to shot of Jupiter. Number 3 on our list is Jupiter. This is the largest planet in the solar system and has a distinctive striped appearance due to its turbulent atmosphere. Jupiter also has a strong magnetic field that produces intense radiation belts around the planet. It has over 75 moons, including the 4 largest known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Number 4 on our list is Saturn. This planet is famous for its stunning rings, which are made up of ice particles and rock. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system and has a low density, which means it would float if placed in water. Saturn has at least 82 moons, including Titan, which is the largest moon in the solar system and has a thick atmosphere. Finally, number 5 on our list is Venus. This planet is often called the morning star or evening star because it is one of the brightest objects in the sky. Venus is similar in size and composition to Earth but has a thick and toxic atmosphere that makes it uninhabitable. It has a surface temperature that can reach up to 864 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. And that's it for our top 5 planets in our solar system. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science and space-related content. Thank you for watching.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.